Lancaster County. And with food starting at just $99 more or less, the best value for your vacation just got better. Visit LancasterCounty.com or call 1-800-PA-DODGE.
News 8 Today is sponsored by Four Seasons Sunroom.
You're watching WGAL 8. Now, coverage you can count on continues. This is a News 8 Today update.
Good morning, I'm Susan Spiro. It's 60 degrees right now. In the news, 3 people are charged in connection with 2 muggings in the Midtown section of Harrisburg. 18-year-old Michael Taylor of Lower Paxton Township and 2 juveniles were arrested yesterday.